As always, I like to show you a nice close-up of what we've been drawing so you can see all the way all the ink falls and the way the ink sits. And there's the flies and the umbrella. And there's his little body with his shrugged up shoulder. And we went down and then we added this crazy, crazy tail. Like he's some kind of slippery fish. That's me. Look at that. Look at the ink. Oh, it looks delicious. Fantastic. Look at all that. Oh, I love it. So, that was today. My loneliness. And I really look forward to seeing your loneliness. Send me some messages, send me some drawings, and I come back and see me again very soon. Bye bye, loneliness. See you again soon. Bye.